single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
Alright guys, I'm back. So I got this folder from Dollar Tree. I think it was I believe it was from Dollar Tree this summer, and I loved it. It's so beautiful, and I felt like it would be perfect for a cover. This is a little thicker than the one that I did in my last video. So I think I'm gonna be using it as the cover for this notebook. And then I like the fact that it has flowers, so it's gonna tie in with the flimsy little cover up that I did for it. So I'm actually gonna use the front cover of what the flimsy plastic one that I did to measure it out. I want it to have the wild and free. I think I want it to have the wild and free because if I choose the corner, then it's gonna have like the part of the D and like two E's, and that's not gonna make any sense. So I think I'm just gonna cut it here. And then I'm gonna have to cut off this pocket, but then for the back section I'm gonna be able to have a pocket for it, which I'm very excited about. So let me go ahead and cut it to size, and then I'll show you guys step by step as I go. And hopefully it works out, because this is a beautiful folder and I don't want to mess it up and then end up not being able to use it for anything. Okay guys, so first I cut the front from the back using the cutter, and then now I am going to measure this out and cut the front cover. And hopefully the Happy Planner punch won't give me problems this time making the hole. So here you go guys, I cut it to size. This is going to be the front cover. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I don't know if to figure out a way to maybe glue it so I could have a pocket in the front, or to just cut it off. I'm thinking of just cutting it off because I'm gonna keep the one in the back, and I just don't want any glue or any interference like that. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off, and then I'm gonna punch it and see how it fits on the notebook. So here it is. This is gonna be my front cover. I'm not sure if to round the corners. I think I'm gonna go ahead and round the corners. I don't know, should I? Let me go ahead and round them and see how they look. But this is gonna be the cover for this notebook. So I thought that I was recording when I was finishing up this DIY of this cover, but actually I was not. So I'm just gonna show you guys how everything turned out. So I ended up rounding the corners, and then this is how the front cover ended up looking like. And then let me show you guys how the back ended up looking. So the back, I just did the same thing. I cut it to size. Oh, this is coming off. I'm sorry, it's hard to use just one hand when you're filming. So the back, I did the same thing. I cut it to size, and I was able to keep the pocket part. So I'm able to have a pocket in the back cover, which I love. I love that. And then this is how the back cover ended up looking like. So it looks really nice. So then this is the back cover with the pocket, and this is the front cover. And then this one I removed the pocket, so it came out really nice. Again, I'm just not happy with the flimsy little plastic cover. I don't think I'm going to be keeping it, to be honest. I'm thinking of later on just making another cover for it, because I'm just not happy with it. Maybe I could use it for another notebook, but not for this one. So this is how it looks without this flimsy little cover. I'm gonna put it off to the side so you guys can have a better view. So I love the fact that now I have a cover that's a little thicker for this notebook. And again, this is going to be like my project notebook, and then this is the back part. So I thought it came out really nice, and I'm happy with it. This is gonna be like my project planner. So oh yeah, I also wanted to show you guys another DIY that I did. I made some of these for some dashboards for this planner. I'm trying to see how I can record that it doesn't show the glare of the flash. So I made this dashboard for it. It says don't count the days, make the days count. Also this one, isn't this one nice? I really like this one. I might even later on make one of these dashboards with this exact image for my catch haul, because I really like how this one came out. And I thought I had made a few more. I guess I just made those two. Oh, okay, here is my last one. So I did your only limit is you is the last one that I did. And these are like motivational dashboards to kind of like, once I start a project, get me going. So I'm really happy with how they ended up as well. So I did that one, this one, which is my favorite, and this one. Don't count the days, make the days count. So I love that. So far I'm liking how the setup is turning out. And once I have any projects that I'm gonna be making, I'm going to be planning them out in here. I'm really liking how this ended